बकेट लाओ उल्टी करने के लिए बट यस
Excited.
नो तो वो कहते हैं ना कि जिससे तुम सबसे ज्यादा दूर भागते हो
What?
वो जिंदगी में तुम्हारे पीछे पड़ता ही है आई बेग यू नॉट टू गिव मी दैट प्लीज
So I want you to.
नो नो आई डोंट हैव टू ईट इट
रुक बेटा. Cheers. Yes,
मिल गई मिर्ची मिल गई
Cheers.
ओह माय गॉड
Uh,
एंड इट्स अ रैप पानी दो यार पानी दो Hello, everyone, and welcome to the first episode of Guts, the IR podcast. I am your host, Shagun Arya, also the chief of iThrive Academy and Research Center, but I'm not that serious today. And today, for the first episode, we have our very own expert function nutritionist with us, Manisha Rana. So, Manisha, would you just introduce yourself to the audience?
hey guys, so my name is Manisha and I'm working at iThrive from last 2.5 years and in this field of nutrition from last 5 years.
Old.
Yes, so I'm really excited about this podcast.
Okay, are you nervous?
Kind of, but I'll bear with you.
Okay. Gut and nerves have a connection, guys.
Yeah.
So you see where we get the name from. But you mentioned that you've been working for the past 5 years as a nutritionist and you've had your degree in nutrition as well. So both of us, we have our degrees in nutrition. So how would you say that, your degree has actually helped you in understanding the field and understanding the concepts of it?
Okay, so before I, answer that, I have a very funny story how I actually end up studying nutrition.
Okay.
So I was in bachelor's doing gym and and all of a sudden my gym instructor was like, you know the science background, so why don't you, just go into this field of nutrition and learn and help people in understanding how the, food part in the body movement and all, plays an important role. And that's how I thought of, why not learn about this
And make money out of
and
it.
make money out of it. So
Fair.
that was the way actually I found, okay, nutrition एक field है and definitely this is going to help me, not only helping myself but लोगों को भी, the kind of lifestyle everybody is living nowadays, they really need some guidance कि क्या खाना है, क्या कैसे खाना है, कैसे बनाना है, क्या चीज avoid करनी है. So I think that was my motivation. But when I actually entered the college and I did my master's in nutrition, I end up understanding that the education is definitely very good. We are learning about our body, we are learning about food, vitamins, minerals, but it is very basic. एक होता है ना master वाला, वो थोड़ा सा I felt that it's lacking.
Okay.
But definitely, we learned a lot about, we learned how to cook. I am a very bad.
She's improved, guys.
Yeah.
Trust me.
I am very bad when it comes to cooking, but my mother told me that तूने अपने पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मारी है ये course join करके because now I have to learn cooking,
Yeah.
which I was not aware about. So definitely, the course really helped me in understanding कि body कैसे काम करती है, which food item can do what to your body. But I would think I really thought that it could have been helped us a lot more than what it helped.
Yeah, because okay, so my follow-up question to you is ki, were you ready for the practical world after this? Like, were you ready to work in like professional setups after this degree? Because of what I remember, हमारे theory और practicals होते थे when we were doing our degrees. But वो practicals or cooking practicals, which was very funny because first of all, I am not a great cook either. But apart from that, मेरे को ये लगता था कि मैं किस बंदे के घर जाके खाना खिलाने वाली हूँ उसको पका के. So I didn't add up in my head. I mean, of course, it helped कि cooking आनी चाहिए and it was a skill that I developed a little later. But I mean, what is your viewpoint on it? कि were you ready for the practical world afterwards?
So, actually, in our head, we were because obviously we are doing masters. So
Of course.
technically, we are ready for the world.
Hmm.
But though I would not say it was a problem, but that's how the course was designed. And the kind of internship we guys used to do was in hospital sector. And you know how hospital is. They have their own
Scary.
kitchen.
Scary.
Yeah, they have their own kitchen.
Yeah.
They have their own chef. You as a nutritionist just can guide them कि इसके खाने में नमक मत डालना, इसको आज दही मत देना. This kind of a setup was there when I actually started doing my internship in a hospital. So I felt that what all we learned was not actually getting implemented in the hospital sector, and that was the first you can say job area where we actually
Hmm.
got exposed to. But when I actually went to my first job in 2019, that was the time when I actually realized that whatever I learned in hospital, whatever I learned in college for, for my masters, I it was completely different for me. In my head I was ready, but when I actually faced that, I was like, I don't know anything
Hmm.
except कि कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स कैसे मेटाबोलाइज होते हैं, फैट्स कैसे मेटाबोलाइज होते हैं,
Krebs
प्रोटीन,
cycle याद थी.
हाँ, Krebs cycle याद थी,
हाँ.
that's it. So definitely it was a very challenging thing because and obviously because you are a master student,
Hmm.
सामने वाला बंदा जिसने आपको हायर किया उनका माइंडसेट होता है दिस पर्सन नोज एवरीथिंग,
Hmm.
ये तो आके बिंदास पैसा छापेगा. बट यू नो द रियलिटी कि
Hmm.
हमने जो पढ़ा, हमने जो सीखा, हमने जो इंटर्नशिप की, एंड जहाँ अब हम काम कर रहे हैं विच इज कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट बिकॉज in our college sector, they are not teaching us how to make a basic diet plan for a person जो सुबह जाते हैं काम पे और घर आता है वापस रात को, और उसको छोटी मोटी बीमारियां हैं या उसको छोटा मोटा वेट कम
So
करना.
majority of the population was not covered, only sick people.
Yeah, only
हाँ.
sick people, that also.
Hospital में admitted वाले.
हाँ.
No, I agree with that fact because see in as a degree I've done masters in clinical nutrition and dietetics. So हम लोग तो clinic के लिए ही बने थे. We were trained for that. And I remember in our practicals and even during our जो हमारे internship वाला period होता था in hospitals, we were taught to actually work on the enteral nutrition or parenteral nutrition. Some of you might not understand that, but वही tube feeding वगैरह पे. So it wasn't actually fulfilling as a nutritionist for me personally speaking, because I wasn't dealing a lot with foods. Nutrients, yes, but not with foods. So that is when I felt कि थोड़ा सा there is like this gap there in my understanding of the field and what I wanted to do out of it. So that was there. But yeah, coming back to what was actually taught in our colleges, do you think there was something that was missing from our syllabus which could have been added? ऐसा कुछ?
So, to be honest, no. Up till I actually joined ITAR Academy, I will be very honest here. Why? Because, as I said, I am working in this field from last 5 years. The initial job profile was into conventional nutrition. Okay. Till that time also, I was not aware what is conventional and what is functional. Okay. So when I actually did a functional nutrition course, I could actually make a difference that हमारे colleges में क्या क्या नहीं पढ़ाया जा रहा है, and that actually plays a very important role in our day to day routine. For example, stress management हो गया, okay, then your blood reports. I was shocked when I actually was learning about how to analyze your blood report. In masters, we haven't. We just learned कि okay, diabetes है तो ये panel check करवा लो. अगर आपको cholesterol का problem है या heart का problem है तो ये panel check करा लो. लेकिन how to understand that blood report, what all it can give us an idea about. I even told you when I joined ITHIVE that I actually came to ITHIVE because of your 2 days workshop. The kind of impact that 2 days workshop, put on me was not at all similar to what a 2 years master's does
Degree
did to me.
that's true.
So I was very shocked that ये सब चीजें तो हमें actually में masters में पढ़ा देना चाहिए, which is actually lacking. And imagine हम लोग ये सारे छोटी मोटी aspects पर ध्यान ही देते थे when we are making a diet plan for a person. So that was the area that I really thought that there are a lot of things in terms of your stress, in terms of inflammation, in terms of EMF, which we teach in iThrive Academy, was somewhere or the other missing, and I really
All the other
thought,
lifestyle
yeah,
factors.
majorly the lifestyle
Yeah.
factor. We definitely learned what is the pathophysiology, what is the blood test that is important, what happens in those diseases. But somewhere or the other, we were more into कि 5 ग्राम sugar दे दो और 1600 calories
का वो plan बना
plan
के
बना
दिखाओ.
दो.
I know because when we were actually learning about things, when I joined iThrive, it was again काफी jolting experience था for me to come from a clinical background सीधा to functional nutrition, which was not even a recognized field in India that time. It was a very new concept. So I agree. वो जो blood, I don't remember blood tests being mentioned in detail, at least during my degrees. but it was good, actually very refreshing for us to understand what blood tests are, what are the root causes behind a lot of dysfunction. So वो काफी
And
अच्छा था.
imagine हम दोनों की masters में कितना time gap है.
हाँ, exactly. There's a time gap.
Yet
I'm
we are saying
younger.
the same thing
Yeah.
that I am saying.
Exactly. And another thing, Manisha, tell me if you agree with this or not, is supplements. Okay, so I remember our professors used to tell us कि no matter what, you fulfill the dietary requirements through food. Now, the thing with Indian population, in any population in general, is that you might not get the most bioavailable food sources. There might be some contamination, खाना अच्छा नहीं है, और कैसे भी करके I mean, if somebody is vegetarian, it might get very difficult to get their a lot of macro and micronutrients met. तो supplementation के बारे में they used to always tell us कभी नहीं देना. It is only कि जब hospital पहुंचोगे तो supplements का नाम आएगा.
वो भी कौन सा protein?
हाँ, प्रोटीन वाला, oh God, yeah. That was another thing, but otherwise, no. And जबकि like Indian population is known to be deficient in certain nutrients, like vitamin B12 उठा लो आप, vitamin D उठा लो, protein. We are known to be deficient in these things. So do you think supplementation was something that should have been covered or should have been
Definitely,
okay with
definitely.
it?
Definitely, and very important thing is that what kind of supplement, because in market we all know that good quality and bad quality, both of them are available. So they really need to teach the upcoming nutrition students and masters that what is the importance of supplementation, how to understand which supplement needs to be given, so that the moment a nutritionist come out of her masters, definitely they should be having that confidence कि ये सप्लीमेंट लोगे तो आपको
Yeah.
बेटर होगा.
That distinctive knowledge is very important. That I completely agree with. Acha, but tell me this. So I had a few subjects that I was scared of going to the lectures. मतलब मेरे को लगता था आज कैसे भी करके lecture cancel हो या skip हो. So do you remember any such subject in your degree कि मतलब कुछ भी हो भगवान लेकिन पहुंचना नहीं है क्लास में. कौन सा था वो?
Biochemistry,
God.
which is the most important
Yeah.
subject
Hmm.
to in nutrition, because you need to understand how the cycles of your body works. But what I think is it really depends how the teacher is. No matter, as I said starting में कि I used to hate cooking, but the kind of teacher I was having in my cooking sessions was so sweet, made it so simple that I actually started loving it. I was, I used to be the person in the starting of my practicals, the Joseph काटने का काम देता था, and then I started making so many new dishes. We did so many fairs in the college, breakfast on the go types, and kuch na kuch we used to make. But that sometimes, depends ki how this person is teaching you. This is my point of view. But definitely, biochemistry was the one which I used to be very scared of. But I'm happy I cleared it.
Good for you, because now you came for the iThrive Academy
Now
course and then you
teaching,
yeah.
that is the irony.
So I remember, that's a funny story that I remember that so when I was enrolled to teach in the academy, there was this, I used to hate the topics of endocrine, autoimmune and thyroid. And I was given those topics and I used to cry like, God, please don't make me teach these topics क्योंकि मुझे concept ही नहीं समझ आया था. मैंने biology में ही उनको I had missed them out. उसके बाद डिग्री में भी I had skipped them and I had to come back here and eventually I had to teach them. So वो कहते हैं ना कि जिससे तुम सबसे ज्यादा दूर भागते हो वो जिंदगी में तुम्हारे पीछे पड़ता ही है. So that was that, and then eventually I then started the thyroid vertical also. So I fell in love with all these conditions. Not that I wish for you to have it, but malab, you get the point. It's life that way.
Yeah.
Okay, and if you remember, we had this conversation with Mugdha also once. We were talking about ऐसे ही हमारे college के syllabus वगैरह के बारे में. And then she just said कि हमारे टाइम पे भी ये तो मैंने भी पढ़ा, ये तो मैंने भी पढ़ा. Most of the professors were also same. And she's done her degree like about 15-20 years back. So it just hit me then that do you think that there has been a change in the curriculum over the years?
Now that I'm listening to you, I think they haven't done any changes, but
Yeah.
uh, technically they do say that they are doing, but I don't know whether they are doing or not.
I
Technically,
mean,
they should
yeah,
be.
I've heard कि board of
Yeah.
studies हर साल तो
Yeah.
बैठता है, but I don't know. I mean, my mother is also a dietitian, and I've seen मतलब she can still correlate to a lot of
Yeah.
the things that have been taught to
When you
us.
see a difference in such a small, gap
Yeah.
of completing the masters, there's no changes. I'm damn sure they haven't done many changes in the curriculum, but I really request, or I should say that after learning so many things, that plays a very important role in helping a person to not only just stick to lose weight, but to feel good about themselves, to feel energetic, to does like when they are getting up in the morning, they're feeling that yes, wherever I am going to work, whatever I'm doing in my life, I'm feeling good. And nutrition plays a very important role. So I really think that if they are not doing it, they should be doing it. It's high time now.
I agree because if you, I mean, we are from the research department also, और हम लोग हर दिन papers पढ़ते हैं.
Yeah.
And we just see कि हमने 3 महीने पहले कुछ पढ़ा होगा, उसका भी हमें counter indication मिल जाता है. So I feel nutrition is like an ever evolving field, right? मतलब आपको कुछ ना कुछ नई चीज मिलती है to read about, to talk about, to research and learn about. So I think that is something that I think is something that there can be an upgrade upon, which is like the syllabus and the content of the course. But I mean, all in all, college life was fun. No,
Definitely,
yeah,
definitely. We learned a lot. ऐसा नहीं है. We
exactly.
really learned a lot. I learned how to cook. I learned how to
She
measure.
has said this 4 to 5 times, guys. So you need to understand कितना important था उसके लिए college.
Yes.
Yeah.
So overall, college, obviously, and especially the masters, because now you know that it's done. Your study part is completely done. Now you actually have to face the
Yeah.
real world. So definitely, college plays a very important role, and it's just that if they can add on more things to our profession, to our syllabus, I would say, then definitely it can help us more to boost up and get more money in the nutrition world.
Agreed. But word to the wise is कि मतलब first of all, understand if you're still students, understand there's a lot of difference between what you learn in theory in college
Yeah.
and what you get to learn in
Definitely.
practical life. में चाहे चलो आप hospital में ही learn कर रहे हो, but there's a vast difference. So enjoy that experience, learn from both, and be sure to explore. ठीक है मतलब like I said, I'm from a clinical, technically academically I'm from a clinical nutrition background, but right now I'm working as a functional nutritionist. So make sure that you're also open to exploring the different fields of nutrition because it's fun.
Yes.
I mean, let's face it. So speaking of fun, we actually have a fun element in our podcast and it's called Gutsy Shots. And उसमें क्या करना है? Basically, they'll ask us certain statements and we have
Okay.
to answer it saying true or false.
Okay.
Okay, sounds
मतलब
easy
college
enough.
की याद दिला रहे हो.
हाँ, basically, काश इतना easy होता, but हाँ.
Yeah.
But there's a but. If
Okay.
we answer incorrectly, so then we have to take one of those shots. And as pretty as the trail looks, it is not pretty at all because I'll tell you क्या क्या है उसमें. Firstly, there's a haldi shot. Good for immunity, not good for us right now. Then secondly, we have the apple cider vinegar. I beg you not to give me that, please. I know you will, but please. Then we have really concentrated salt ka mix, and we have lemon shots. And then beach में पड़ी है हमारी प्यारी सी मिर्ची. So let's go.
Excited.
No.
Ta-da! No, because it has some amount of carbohydrate also. So 50% yes, proteins है, but 100% protein source नहीं है because उसमें बहुत सारे amino acids भी missing होते हैं.
हाँ, so it doesn't have essential amino acids completely. So मैंने अब part में answer दिया तो क्या, can I feed on mirchi? No?
No,
Okay, shit.
I will be the one.
I
who's
tried.
going.
I
Yes.
tried. Okay.
So I want you to.
No, I don't have to eat it.
Yeah. Okay, so now I have to choose
Yes.
for you and
The cause of my death.
go for haldi shot.
Okay, good. Thank you. I still appreciate it.
Cheers.
Mm. Mm. Shit. The haldi in me didn't let me speak up. Go.
So no, it's not good for the Indian deep frying or sabzi banane wala types cooking. But yes, definitely you guys can use it for the salad dressing purpose and all.
उससे प्लीज तलना तो मत खाना प्लीज ओके
तलना नहीं है, पूरी नहीं तलनी है. Okay, so again my turn. Go for lemon shot.
मेरा मॉर्निंग रूटीन इधर आ रहा है
Shot.
That was disgusting. पानी तो मिला देते Now I'll not be able to make the buzzer noise. This is one way to shut me up. Yes. I just gave the answer and I wasn't taking any chances.
मैं तो 1 सेकंड में बस बचा रहा था कि डायरेक्ट यस नो बोलना था।
Oh God. Such a rip-off of Coffee with Karan. but yes.
कट।
But yes, it does help with bloating. So if you're not feeling, आपके meal के बाद अगर आपको लग रहा है digestion is not going well, so you can have a bit of ginger juice. Ajwain also helps. So yeah, tip for the day. Ooh, my turn. Finally, guys. Thank you, Lord. um, I'll be sweet to you and give you apple cider vinegar just because I didn't want to drink it. So I'm gonna just read. Yeah, I know.
Cheers, guys.
Bless you. That was such a neutral reaction, man. अब जान निकलेगी. Oh boy. Bucket लाओ उल्टी करने के लिए. This I have. हाँ? ठीक है. Yeah.
रुक बेटा।
Ah! No, it is not. It is not. I'm not taking any chances. No, it is not. It is a still processed form of sugar. Go for either dates or you can go for honey, maple syrup, organic maple syrup. All of that works, but no jaggery. Manisha, darling, what would you like to have?
Obviously, the highly concentrated salt.
Oh, I thought you would opt for the mirchi, but okay, go for the salt mixture. इसको वो जिंजर लगेगा, इसकी ब्लोटिंग होने वाली एप्पल साइडर विनेगर के बाद सीधा नमक खाया. गुड टू गो. मिल गई मिर्ची, मिल गई.
Okay, it is very important for all of us to understand that there is no single food which can help us in losing weight or become fit. So if you're going to just take green tea and you're going to binge, eat for the rest of your day, definitely the green tea is not going to do anything. So definitely green tea is good, but always go for the herbal teas because those teas are much better than the green teas.
So of course if you're like वो weight loss में भी कब काम आता है जब पूरे के पूरे tumbler आप पीते जाओ. So which I don't
It's
think
not
anybody
possible.
does it naturally, but of course it has its own sweet benefits.
And
But
definitely green tea has a lot of anti-nutrients also. So not too
Yeah.
much amount of green tea will going
Will
to help
help
you
you.
guys.
so चलो.
Have mirchi.
Will you accompany me? There are like 2 of it.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my God.
Uh,
And it's a wrap. पानी दो यार, पानी दो. So that was it on the first episode of Guts, the IR podcast. I hope you enjoyed listening to it as much as we enjoyed shooting it. And thank you so much, Manisha, for being such a great sport
thank you so much for having me.
and having that last mirchi with me.
Yeah.
Yeah, that still pains. So stay tuned for more such podcasts and do comment and let us know which subject you want to hear about next. And I'll make sure to bring the fun part and the knowledge, a bit of it. And I'll make sure that the guest brings their knowledge. So stay tuned and have fun.